Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will now learn how to update the platform user profile information. So first, as a global administrator or the owner of the company or even the user administrator, you can select the particular team member. So here we are choosing Jack Lee. The first tab shows the account details where the roles can be assigned to the user, then the personal details and the identity information. So you as the administrator can update the passport information in the system which the user must have submitted to your company representatives. You can also enter other identities like the Aadhaar card or any country specific identity like driving license and everything. Then the employment information tab will display all the employment related information like the employee number, employee status, employment type, designation, department, work location, when was the offer provided to the team member, when was he confirmed in the company, what was his date of joining. Okay, so all this information can be mentioned, what is the notice period for his employment, and this could be saved. Once the employment information is updated, now we will see how a normal user can update his own profile information. So as a team member in the company, you can go and update your own profile information, but you can only update the personal details tab where all your current address, permanent address, your name and everything can be updated. However, the identity information tab is disabled for you. The employment information tab is also disabled for you because this is the information which is updated by your company administrators. The visa information is also disabled. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to update your profile information. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.